guys, welcome to another video. And today we're going to be opening some Kinder Surprise eggs. It's the new Justice League ones. So without further ado, let's get them opened. Okay, so he's already started opening his. If you have not, I'm just gonna have a little bit of chocolate. Okay, I'm gonna open mine. Ooh. Let's see what I got. Ooh. I got the Flash. I got the Flash. Yes. Woohoo! Celebration. Oh, come on. Okay, before we see Frankie's, and here are the characters you can get. There is the Green Lantern, Joker, Batman. Damn it. Okay, yeah, Batman's there. Catwoman, Robin, Wonder Woman, and Superman. I've got the Flash, yes. I got Batman. Yep. Eat some more chocolate.
I love the features. Oh, I like those.
No. Yeah, we love these Kinder toys.
What do you like the most, Sander? Oh, what have you named?
You wouldn't know. Wait, what do you mean?
What do you like the most about this?
I got the Flash.
I like all the cool features.
I got what?
You want to play a battle?
No, not today. Maybe another time. No. I'm sorry, but we have run out of time today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.